Well guys, up on Durdham Downs again, hoping to fly kites, but there's no wind at all. So I do have a rubber band powered aeroplane in the car. It failed last time I tried it. We'll have another go. I've brought some weight with me because I think it needs a bit more nose weight. Well, we'll try it without any trim first. Well, that didn't work. Well, I was hoping I could do better today, but I don't think I'm going to. Well, I've decided I had the tail on the wrong way round. Whether that will make any difference. I think that made a difference. Better. So I had the tail on wrong way round, or horizontal stabilizer. We're almost flying. Well, I had sneaked the wing forwards a tiny bit, and that seems to have made it worse, so we'll go back as far as we can. Let's try to the left of the wind. Up a little bit to the right this time. It's got no glide. I'm getting about 100 turns on it at the moment. And I did put a little bit of lubrication on the rubber as well. There's no wind. High angle, wind behind us. Yeah. Well, we're doing better than we were, and I think that's just down to changing that horizontal stabilizer, because I had it that way round because I thought that was supposed to be elevators that you could adjust, but it's not. It's just getting it that distance forwards into the wind high. Bit of inverted. I suppose on the positive side, I'm not having to chase after it very far. I think that's about as good as we're going to get. Certainly not going to get it to fly off into the distance and lose it. It's happened with one of my supercapacitor planes here. It just got caught in a thermal and was last seen disappearing over that way so high up I could hardly see it, just a spot in the sky. I did drive all the way over there just in case I could spot it, but no sign. Upside down. I don't know if I've even got that on the camera. Right back to me. Boomerang, eh? Well, let's be honest, it flew better today than it did the other day when I tried it, and that was because I had the tail on the wrong way round. Turning it round, and it actually makes a fighting attempt to fly. Still pretty rubbish, but yeah, better, because I haven't tried it with the wing right forwards, have I? Well, I'm fairly happy about that. I'd have been really annoyed if it suddenly flew really well just because I shifted the wing forwards and changed the centre of gravity. Bit of nose weight. I did say I was going to try a bit of nose weight. Up high. That still looked tail heavy. Right, big lump of nose weight into the wind. That actually looked like that was flying then. Right, into the wind, up at quite an angle. And a lot of nose weight. Tiny bit back off again. Into the wind, up at a height. Too much height. Level launch into the wind, or slightly up. That might be as good as we're going to get. Well, we're doing better than we started, so we've improved. What's with the inverted, eh? Well, we'll have to finish this using my phone to film it, because I lost track of time and the hat camera's actually finished filming. Battery's run down. So, what have we learnt? I had the tail on the wrong way round in my first video, so that didn't help, and adding nose weight did help. Shifting the wing right back does in effect make the nose heavier, but it wasn't enough, so I've actually got the wing right forwards and I've got extra nose weight on there, and we're getting a sort of a flight. We're not getting a real flight, it's not disappearing up in the sky and catching a thermal, but it's probably enough to keep somebody interested for half an hour. It certainly kept me interested for half an hour.